Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block someone on OnlyFans. Now let's begin. On any browser of our choice, simply type onlyfans.com and hit on enter right now. Do log in if you already have not. Now this is the homepage of OnlyFans, and if I look at the right, there's something like suggestions. Right now, click on any profile you wish. For instance, I want to block this user. So here's what we can do about it. At the top of this section, there are these three dots. Simply click on them and a pop-up will open stating many things like copy link to profile, add to or remove from lists, restrict, block or report. Right now we simply want to block them, so let's click on this block button. It's gonna ask for our confirmation and such. You can either block them or restrict them, it's completely up to you. Right now I'm gonna block, so I'm gonna select this one and click on confirm. And guys, that's it. That's how we block someone on OnlyFans. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.